Fundamentally what MMIP is about the businesses, the trade bodies and government working in partnership. We know through the life science strategy that government really wants to help in this situation. I think where MMIP can really work is giving a clear, consistent voice to government on, if you really want to help us, this is how you can help us in terms of innovation funding, skills support, regulatory areas, for example. So that's where I think MMIP can really add value. Given the massive impact life sciences has on the UK economy, and the fact it is, without question, the most productive sector in the UK economy, one of the real gains that we could achieve relatively efficiently would be to enhance our capabilities of manufacturing in the UK. Because manufacturing is the most productive bit of the most productive sector. Enhancing our capabilities in manufacturing of medicines and pharmaceuticals would do an enormous amount for our economic growth agenda.
The role of MMIP is to bring everybody together to galvanise the whole sector behind some core opportunities.
The UK leads the way in manufacturing medicines globally. MMIP, working on collaboration, will ensure that remains the case for a very long time.
We need to invest in making the appropriate sort of partnerships through supply chains, through new supply chains. MMIP and the KTN as part of that can really help to keep the attention on medicines manufacturing as a priority, to keep a voice going and to work towards increased investment for advanced future manufacturing.
The growth opportunities in the UK can come from advanced therapy products. We've already got fantastic capabilities in cell and gene therapy, really excellent SMEs who are world leading, engaged with the world's biggest players, and we have the scientific know-how and scale-up capability to make a real difference.
MMIP occupies a very important position between industry users, governmental funders, and also the public sector bodies that assist that in helping the funders and the research investors decide which areas warrant the most investment, and in the confidence that they're listening to something that has the industry voice behind it. So I think this advocacy role, looking beyond the horizon and having a direct line with confidence to some of the opinion leaders, is where MMIP is strongest.
MMIP has a really important role in securing the UK as a leader for the future, and none so more perhaps than connecting across the industry in terms of what are the next big new technologies that we need to focus on.
MMIP is quite a simple mechanism. It's got a really simple message. I think it is there to be the voice of industry for manufacturing. And it's important that we create this sort of forum, that we get a consensus voice where we can agree and align. And I think when the pharmaceutical industry aligns on a voice for manufacturing, government will and have listened in the past. So I think the voice is incredibly important. It's more than just the voice. It gives us the opportunity to bring all the key partners together to collaborate. The trade bodies, it brings the government agencies, it brings the industry, whether it be small, medium or large, some of the academic institutes together. Putting all of that together and having that opportunity to grow manufacturing is hugely exciting.